with an update for the Rubik's Cube. And in this video, I'm going to be showing the code that I implemented for this. And last time I showed those like about 400. Here's proof. 398 is the final one. So, I mean, I guess you could start. I just kind of, so this is Python, and I used a thing in Python called Turtle, which you could make shapes and creations with. So basically, I mean, yeah, this is all just my code. I think from 360 to 398 is what I did not include in the other video, so I'll go ahead and show that really quickly. But basically, what this did, what it did is that this like block of code, it told what colors were in the cube. That's literally just it. So I just had this like list that shows all the colors possible inside the cube, and I gave them a value, and using some code, I don't want to go too deep into this because yeah, so using this code, it should just print out every type of code, every type of color that's in the cube. This mumbo jumbo, like this entire behemoth, yeah, this whole thing right here was the cube itself. This line right here was to change the speed. So like if I put it to like 100, which is the max, it would go the fastest. Each like 5 would go super slow. 10 is kind of like normal, but I didn't show 100 last time actually, so maybe I'll show that right now. So yeah, that's basically the code for it, and I'll show the what line 360 to 398 did. And just because I'm cool, I'll just add an extra 2 lines. There. So yeah, that's basically 400 lines of code. What the last 40 lines of code does, and it'll also show you how the fastest it could go. So let's start with the fastest it could go. So if this is, I'll set the speed to 10, because that's what it was before. So this is 10, okay? So I'll just wait for this to finish. And yeah, that's about how fast 10 is. This is 5. This is what I used in the last run of the video yesterday. So yeah, that's literally how slow it is. Now if I go to 100, that's how fast it is. It's like done in like 5 seconds. Actually, let me see how long it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6. Okay, and if you see here, actually, let me rerun that. So it's let me just rerun this, like show what it actually means. So 6 seconds later. So the Rubik sequence is, it starts with the first thing I did was green, and there's 2 greens in this face. So basically we're talking about this cube thing right here. So there's 2 greens, there's a blue, there's a white, there's another blue, there's a green over here, there's a red, there's 1 square, there's orange, white, blue, yellow, red. The second square has red, white, green, red, blue, yellow, yellow, blue. The third square has yellow, orange, white, orange, yellow, yellow, white, blue. Square, wait, there's no, wait, what, fourth square? I don't see a fourth square, but okay. But yeah, that's basically what it does, to be honest. And yeah, 400 lines of code for a Rubik's Cube. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, thank you.